welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. Today is Friday, February 27th, 2026. Happy Friday. And yes, I'm happy. I have a finished project. My camera's a little crazy today. Let's get this straight. So I finished my Chalina shawl. I did a short earlier today, and I'm so happy she's done. I absolutely love it. The color is showing up a little better today. It's a little sunny outside. Okay, this is Crystal Bag O'Day's Chalina shawl tutorial. The color is seaweed, and it's like a beautiful kind of like a seaweed green with the chartreuse running through it. It's just a beautiful tonal color, and I absolutely love it. So I will put a picture of her, of it, I should say. But I did lightly block her, wet block her, slightly. And just so the points would, you know, they pretty much were very pointy to begin with. Just gave it a little help along. So let me put her on because it's a little chilly. And I have a feeling it's going to get a lot of use. It's so comfortable and squishy. So I lightly blocked it with, this is by Soak. It's called Flatter. And, you know, just lightly spray it and pinned it and pinned her little points. And I think it's stunning. I just love the yarn. This is one of my favorite bases it's the Silky Yak base. I believe Crystal may still have this colorway in her Etsy shop. And I think the sale ends tomorrow. So she has 25% off all of her hand-dyed. So if you'd like to get your hands on some beautiful hand-dyed yarn, 25% off all of her, you'll see she has a sale tab in her Etsy shop. But I absolutely love it. So what else do I have today? I do have some mail. So you want to see what I got? Okay. So this is mail that I ordered from Knit Picks on Monday. Believe it or not, I ordered this on the 23rd. Today's the 27th. I think Monday was the 23rd. Might have even been Tuesday. I don't know, but it was here already. I was like, wow. Free shipping also. So just crazy. So, you know, I always get emails from, you know, every kind of, anything that has to do with yarn or crafting. So Knit Picks sent me an email. They had free shipping and no minimum. So I said, okay, because I really was not looking to order yarn from Knit Picks at this time. It's really still have more yarn coming. So, but I have always been interested in their sampler packs because they have many different bases. And if you can get a sampler pack, you can actually feel the bases without placing it, you know, in a big order, you know, 5 or 6 hanks, actually feel the bases. So they had a sampler pack for $10 with free shipping. And I thought, okay. And this is the Knit sampler pack. We Crochet, which is their sister website, does crochet items. Knit Picks is strictly knitting. As far as the needles, the yarns are very much the same. So I placed an order, and I actually ordered 2 because I was curious if they were both going to be the same. And many times I've looked for the sampler packs and they're always sold out. And believe it or not, they're sold out again. So, and I actually would have brought it to my channel, but by the time I went back to look, it was sold out. But let me show you what it is. If you do get an email from Knit Picks, you can, and you see the sampler packs, if you're interested, it's a great deal for $10. Let me show you what you get. And even better that it was free shipping. So you get 7 10-gram mini hanks of their different bases, okay? And this is the knitting set. So let me show you what you get. Okay, so many, I think I've had 1 or 2 of these bases that I've worked up with, but obviously not all of them. This here is their Simply Cotton, and I've never felt their Simply Cotton. They're all bare bases, you know, bare minis. So if you are looking perhaps to try out dyeing some yarn, this is a great way to try out dyeing different bases. Okay, so this is the Simply Cotton worsted weight. It's 16 yards of a 10 gram, 100% organic cotton. Very beautiful cotton. Very soft. Definitely a wearable cotton. This is not, in no way not a kitchen cotton. Beautiful. So it's the Knit Picks Simply Cotton. Beautiful. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, this is the Knit Picks Woodland Tweed Aran weight. It's 16 yards. It's 80% merino wool, 15% baby alpaca, and 5% viscose. I have used this yarn before. I actually worked up a hat. I will be honest with you. It's very soft. It looks very beautiful. I'm not a fan of the woodland tweed because the tweeds, they just come right off. As you can see, they're very, yeah. I would imagine once you wear it, you're going to have all these tweeds all over the place. So, yeah. Not a fan of the woodland tweed. It is beautiful to look at. It's very soft. But the tweedy bits, they're not wound in enough for me. That's just my opinion. You may love it. Okay, then we have this Wool of the Andes, worsted weight, 100% Peruvian Highland wool. Okay, it's not a superwash, but I will tell you, it's extremely soft, not toothy at all, very squishy. Yeah, so this is the worsted weight Wool of the Andes, very soft. I am surprised how soft it was, because I was a little hesitant to order that, thinking it wasn't as soft, but it's very soft. Definitely scarfable for a wool that's not superwash. Okay, this one is, okay, this is Knit Picks Swish DK weight, 100% fine superwash merino wool. Very pretty, very beautiful, very soft, as is most all superwash merino. Beautiful, lovely DK. And it's also nice, to get a feel for what the weight is. Because not all yarns are equal. Some DKs are thinner than others, and you can get an idea. So a great reason for $10 to get this this little sampler kit. This is the Hawthorne DK. It's 22 yards of a 80% superfine superwash merino, and 20% polyamide, which is kind of a nylon. Very pretty, very soft. Okay, and so this is the Hawthorne DK. Let me kind of give you an idea of the weight. Very similar to the other. Okay, now this is very soft. This is the Andean Treasure DK, 100% baby alpaca. You can see the little fuzzies off there, and very, very soft. Beautiful, beautiful alpaca. And it's a DK. So let me see if I can get my finger in there. It's not behaving. There you go. It's definitely a DK. Very pretty. Very soft. Okay, and then for the 7th one, this is Palette Fingering Weight. 100% Peruvian Highland wool, 43 yards of a fingering weight. Okay, let me see if I can get this, because it's kind of, oh, yes, it's definitely a fingering weight. Very, very, a thin fingering weight. Very pretty, very soft. Again, this is not a superwash, but very soft. And I have a lot of minis, so these will not go to waste. I can use them with other minis that I have that are the same composition. And again, it's nice to get a feel of the yarn. So what else is in this? Because it's not the only thing that's in for $10. This is a great deal. If you are looking, and if you're a beginner for knitting and you just want to get a feel of the wool, you also get a 15% off your next order in the sampler pack. And last but not least, you get Options Try It Needle Set. Okay, it's a US 6 4.0 and a US 7 4.5 interchangeable needle set. So you get two different. You get the wood and the stainless steel knitting needle set, which is great. I do, I'm on a knitting journey, and, I do have some knitting needles. I have some Chaigu, I have a Prim, I have one from a Hobby Lobby. I think I have a not Knit Picks, Clover, Takumi, the bamboo. I have those, but I've never had the Knit Picks knitting needles. So for $10, all of that yarn and 2 knitting needle interchangeable sets, which is a great deal because these alone, okay, so let me show you what's in here. There's the Radiant Options interchangeable, which is the wood. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Look how pretty that is. Very soft. Okay, this is the 4.0. Look, it's got the purple and the orange. Very groovy. Okay, 4.0 interchangeable needles. And also comes with the 4.5 stainless steel. And these are the reflections. So you get a set of reflections and a set of the radiant wood. Okay, these are $11.49 just for the set alone. So for $10, and I think these are $9 for the set. So for $10, I got that yarn and 2 sets of interchangeable needles with 2 different sets of cords. This one looks to be probably around, I don't know how many inches. Maybe a 24 and a 32, or a 16 and a 24. I didn't measure it, but 2 sets, 2 interchangeable needles, cords, the stoppers, and a little key that you need to lock it. What an awesome deal. And now I can imagine why they sell out so quickly. So I got this set. I actually ordered another because I thought, I wonder if the second set would have a different size needle. Now that would just be too lucky, wouldn't it? But I'm gonna open it up and see. Okay, so this is the Knit Picks 2024 sampler. That's what the box says. And again, the seven samples of their bases. And if I could get this needle set out, we'll see what size is in here. Okay, it's the same. It's the 4.0 and the 4.5 millimeter Knit Picks Options, interchangeable needles, radiant and reflection set. Beautiful. What a deal. So, I would suggest, if you go and subscribe to Knit Picks and they send you an email, and if you perhaps get in on the free shipping is even better. So I got all of this for free shipping for $20. 4 needles, because, and then you could say, you have 2 of the same size. Well, many of us, I know with my crochet hooks, you have one project working with a 6.0 and another project working with a 6.0. You can never have enough hooks or needles sets. But yeah, so that was my little Knit Picks haul. I actually, the following day, got another email from their sister site, which is We Crochet. They also had the sampler set for crochet. So I'm curious to see, that should be here tomorrow because it was the day after, to see what yarn they sent in with that set. And I only ordered one of those just because I have a feeling it's going to be the same size crochet hooks. And probably the slim line, and I usually use ergonomic, but we'll see. I'm not really sure, but what a great deal. So curious to see how these knitting needles are going to, how they compare to the Chaigu. So this is the Knit Picks. And this is the Chigo. Okay, they look very similar. We'll see how the cord works up, because you know the Chigo doesn't have a memory, which is what's great to work with. This seems very similar. It's not flimsy like that set I sent back to Amazon. Okay, and but these are interchangeable. And you know, I have priced the Chigo for the entire set, and they're a little pricey. But I will let you know my thoughts on the knit picks compared to the Chigo. Coming from a newbie, because I am a very new knitter. But again, a great deal. Can't beat the deal to have extra set of knitting needles if you can get in on the sampler box. So I hope everyone had a wonderful week and that you have a great weekend ahead. And I will see you tomorrow on the next one. I think my We Crochet will be coming in tomorrow, and I also have some other mail coming. Yes, so it should be a weekend packed. That's if, you know, U.S. mail, you know, cooperates and delivers when they should. It should be a weekend full of yarny adventures. Take care. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.